Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to get rid of blank page. So if you want to create blank page, you can press enter button. So it will be create the blank page, and the other option you also can insert the blank page by using insert tools and then click blank page. Now if you want to remove the blank page, you can active for the paragraph mark. You can click these icons and you can see we have these options page break. It means will be set like for blank page. So you can delete this page break by using delete button, and then you can press delete again to delete the paragraph lines. And that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to get rid of blank page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.